Alright friends, our 30 minutes are up. We're now leaving and going home and waiting for the fever to kick in. तुझे कुछ हो रहा है क्या शैंक्स? कुछ टेम्परेचर कुछ नहीं है?
सब ठीक है सुबह से जैसा था वैसा ही
Are you feeling okay?
Yeah.
Nothing, no symptom, no? Not yet at least. रात को आएगा.
I don't want to celebrate. Yeah.
Guys, it's begun. Raghav is feeling the chills.
Yes.
You're feeling cold?
Yeah. I'm definitely not feeling like okay.
Not feeling normal.
I'm not feeling normal and ठंड लग रहा है. So I think it's fever.
Yeah, meanwhile, Revant, you're feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine.
Look at him gloating. You're feeling good?
Yeah.
Why don't you say that out loudly?
I'm feeling good. You didn't get the injection, did you? You're so scared.
Wow, you're really feeling cold. You're moving around.
Yeah.
Should we switch on all the ACs?
Just tell me to sleep in the balcony. I will. It's actually hotter in balcony. You can go.
That's true. It is warm on the balcony. Maybe you should go there, and then maybe you should. You want to call Shankar and check? Shanks, तबीयत कैसा है? ठीक है. टेम्परेचर नहीं है. राघव को ठंड लग रही है. राघव को टेम्परेचर हो गया है.
गुड मॉर्निंग। कल मैं 5 बजे सोया था। मेरे को नींद नहीं आ रही थी। मुझे टेम्परेचर भी नहीं था। मुझे बॉडी एक नहीं है, मुझे सर्दी नहीं है, खांसी नहीं है, चिल्स नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। आई एम फीलिंग फाइन।
Hey guys, so after the last couple of episodes, Farmeezy reached out to me and asked me to be a part of their COVID-Free India initiative. It's an initiative to raise awareness about the vaccine and encourage more people to go take the vaccine. And what better way to do that than to team up with all Asia #1 conqueror Covishield, Covaxin, Nostril Jab, RT-PCR, me. So in today's vlog, we're going to see what happened to all the flatmates after we took the vaccine and talk about some Q&As about the vaccine. So here's what happened the next morning after we all woke up after taking the first dose. Good morning to sick patient number 1. Revan, do you also have?
No, I'm recovering now. I had second tablet, so I'm recovering now.
You still have?
Yeah, I'm just about to have the second tablet. I'll also recover.
I still don't have sickness. So since morning I've been googling why are people getting temperature. I've asked like 5 doctor friends. Basically everyone's immune system reacts differently to the vaccine. Because in my head I was like कि मैं defective है कि मेरे को fever नहीं आ रहा है. But after speaking to multiple doctors, so someone said 1 in 4 people are apparently getting fever roughly. हाँ, but these are all anecdotal, right? There's no defined evidence. यहाँ पे Shankar is also sick. Yeah, 1 in 4 is not sick. So
Pain also in these 4 joints and pain behind the eyes.
got it. Okay. Wow, you look very sick. Go sleep it off. What?
Hallucinations.
You are having hallucinations.
Yeah, it's very difficult to explain. I felt like a Rubik's cube and मैं बेड में ऐसे इधर-उधर घूम रहा था and I felt like एक perfect position पे मेरा बुखार ठीक हो जाएगा.
Did he inject vaccine or ganja? What's happened to you? Guys, Raghav is very happy today.
Yeah, I'm not the only guy.
Because आकाश ने आज वैक्सीन लिया और आकाश को भी थोड़ा बुखार आ गया. आज लिया कि कल लिया? आज लिया ना? ऑलरेडी बुखार आ गया देखो. Yeah, I've heard कि vaccination has adverse effects on Gujarati people. Especially Gujaratis who are unnecessarily hyper romantic online. उनको पहला बुखार आता है. If this was Aishwarya, I should be like, हाँ मेरे आकाश को बुखार है ना, प्यार का बुखार. मैंने पूछा ही नहीं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. ऐश्वर्या को बुखार आया क्या? पता नहीं.
She just passed out but hasn't woken up.
Oh, she passed out. When she sleeps, does she communicate with you in her dreams?
Sometimes we try.
What does she communicate? थोड़े सोने तो दे मुझे.
How do we vaccinate ourselves to all this?
There is no cure for this. Nothing can prevent the sheer cringe. आकाश is like मेरे को सेक्स मिल रहा था.
They literally met twice because lockdown हो गया उसके बाद.
That's true. देखो तो सेक्स भी नहीं मिल रहा है.
Yeah, you're just.
It's true love, Tanna.
All right, Akash update. What's the update?
You are at 7.8 Celsius temperature, which is 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. He's feeling okay though. Does he have the chills?
Yeah, halka sa chill. Yeah.
He has halka chills, huh?
Yeah, feverish.
Okay. So yours went away in what? Like 24 hours?
It took 1.5 days.
Alright, so we will check in 1.5 days. If Akash also gets better. If he does get better quicker, it means he is stronger than Raghav. And if he takes longer, which means he is the weakest person in this house. That's how we are judging this.
So far, he's gotten sicker at least 2 hours before I did.
Oh, he got sick 2 hours before you did? Okay. So basically, chat. Now I know कि बहुत जनता को बहुत सवाल है इस वैक्सीन के बारे में, and who better to play जनता and ask me janta's question than the most janta man himself, Mr. Raghav Sharma. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, Rex. What is your first question?
Do I need to wear a mask after getting vaccinated?
You don't want to wear a mask anymore?
I'm tired of it.
The mask is very heavy. What is it?
It's boring.
Oh, you want fun activity during COVID? Is that it? You have to wear a mask even after you get the vaccine. And Raghav, look into my eyes. You will be wearing a mask even after we've gotten vaccinated.
Even after both the shots.
Yes, just wear a mask. So there's still a 10 to 20% chance that you can still get infected because there are different variants of COVID. So just be on the safer side and wear a mask. So if you can contract COVID still after the vaccine and you don't wear a mask and say you contract COVID but you don't have symptoms, then we all will get it, no?
Right.
So please continue wearing a mask. Naveed! Okay, what's your next question?
So this is not like my question. This is the question Revant and Akash were asking incessantly.
Okay.
Can we drink alcohol a day before or after getting vaccinated?
Oh, so you are not asking this question. ये उन दोनों का सवाल.
Yeah, I'm gonna swallow.
Okay, so the simple answer is that ideally your immune system should be in tip-top condition when you get the vaccine. So avoid drinking the night before and like a few days after you get the vaccine. But for you specifically, Raghav, you should avoid drinking always. Like before the vaccine, after the second vaccine, after COVID is dead, it's over. Even after that, you should not drink.
Fair. The next question is, do antibodies develop right after taking the vaccine?
What do you think antibodies are? Like it's like in a fast food restaurant, like you just go, hey, 4 antibody table number 5 पे लेके आके दे. Like if it just comes like this, it'll be 4-5 पुराना दिन का बासी antibody जो already kitchen में बना के रखा था वो serve करे. So no, antibodies don't immediately start developing. They take some time. In fact, after the second dose, 3 to 4 weeks after the second dose, complete immunity is set to be achieved. Next question.
They've prescribed a time, right? You have to get the second vaccine after this amount of time.
Yeah.
Is it compulsory to do it exactly in that?
देखो क्या बहुत plans है क्या तेरी life में? Like you want to go party and travel. We stay in the same house. Just take the vaccine in the prescribed amount of time that you're supposed to, as it's been recommended by doctors and scientists. The vaccine doses are spread weeks apart on purpose so antibodies can be developed, right, in that time.
Yeah.
So please don't miss the second dose. For Covaxin, it's a 4 to 6 week gap, and for Covishield, it's 12 to 16 weeks. So try and do that.
This is not my question. This is a question people are asking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's people, right?
Yeah, people. The question is, can we take non-vegetarian food after getting the vaccination?
People are asking this
Yeah,
question,
people
not
ask,
you.
Not me. I don't need to ask this question.
Okay. So there are no tangible studies that prove that non-vegetarian food affects the efficacy of a vaccine or any such thing like that. So you don't need to stop eating non-vegetarian food after taking the vaccine.
Okay, I think you are going to like this question also.
Okay.
Call it a good question.
Okay.
Will the COVID vaccine protect me from the virus for like my entire life?
For life.
Yeah, for life.
Like Hamesha.
Hamisha.
Like forever.
Yeah, like
जिंदगी भर के लिए.
next.
7 जन्मों पार.
Yes.
In the afterlife.
I think the answer is no. Then.
Okay, so jokes apart, long-term protection from COVID after vaccination is still under research, so we don't really know yet. Good question, followed up with an even better question. Come on.
Can we still make Instagram reels after getting the vaccine? I think the answer is yes.
Next question.
So there is Covishield, Covaxin, right? Can I
Yeah.
select which one of these I want?
First of all, how dare you? Okay, so there are many different vaccines available as of now, and all of them are effective to a certain degree. So I don't think choice is the problem here. I think the importance should be given to just going out and getting any vaccination that you can. That is very important. But of course, if you want butterscotch flavor, then we can wait.
If I have recovered from COVID recently and I have antibodies, do I still need to take the vaccine?
Yes, you need to. Naveed is going to take the vaccine. It's best to wait for a certain period of time, as Naveed's doctors have advised him. Did Naveed say he doesn't want to take the vaccine?
No.
It sounds like he
No,
said.
he didn't.
Said.
No, he didn't.
Are you sure?
Swear he didn't.
100% sure.
Yeah.
I'm still going to call him.
No, 1 second. This is a question by me only actually. Why can't children below 18 take the vaccine?
How old are you? How old are you?
2020 minus 1996.
Have you forgotten maths? If you're not 18, why you're asking? But anyway, I will answer it. So the vaccine studies have not been done for people under the age group of 18 and below. That's why they can't take the vaccine as of now. Got it?
Yeah.
But you are not 18, so don't overthink.
Okay. Okay, I'm not going to do this.
Huh.
But is it safe to like get jabbed by the two different vaccines?
No, you have to get the same vaccine both times. Raghav, please, I'm doing our registration. I will make sure we get the same vaccine. Both vaccines are effective, but they work differently. So please get the same vaccine the second time around. This goes for everyone, alright? Chat. Get the same vaccines, alright? He doesn't care.
Okay, last question. And I'm not like jealous or anything, but why did I get fever and other side effects and you didn't?
Because you're a weakling.
What?
I'm kidding. Everybody's immune system is different. Everybody's immune system way of dealing with the vaccine is different. That is why some people are feeling the side effects and some people aren't. It's not a statement about your general health. It's just that we're all biologically different and hence we react to medicines differently. Some people may experience flu-like body ache, fevers, chill, and some people's body will not experience it. Does not mean one is more immune than the other or anything like that. And before we wrap this up, one last question from me to you, Raghav. How does one get the second dose of the vaccine after you've got the first one?
To get the vaccine, you have to first register on CoWIN or Arogya Setu.
Correct.
And once you've got your first dose, you will get a certificate on this app or the website.
Okay.
And you get a chance to schedule your second dose.
Correct. If you got Covaxin, you have to get it within 4 to 6 weeks. If you got Covishield, you can get it between 12 to 16 weeks. Are all your doubts cleared, Raghav?
Yes, loved this reverse Viva.
A huge shout out to PharmEasy for starting this initiative. You can check out more with the link in the description. All of us at home have got our first dose and we're all ready to get the second one as soon as we are eligible for it. You guys should do it too. On that note, thank you very much for watching. We will see you next time. Chat, please stop eating that. Bye.